Hello again and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to use one of the best meme coin trading indicators. And I will also give you access to a free tool that allows you to find scam coins and fake Twitter accounts fast so you don't get rugged. This free tool also brings you instant alerts on which coins are talked about in popular meme coin alpha groups like Potion and Shock, so you don't want to miss this one. The world of meme coins can be overwhelming if you are new, but with the right tools you can make more informed decisions and stop losing money with your trades. One of the most useful tools for traders is an indicator called the Relative Strength Index, or the RSI in short. The RSI is a technical indicator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It's displayed as a line on a chart, typically with a scale from 0 to 100. Its main purpose is to help traders identify when a coin is either overbought or oversold. An overbought signal, usually above 70 on the scale, suggests that the coin price has risen too quickly and may be due for a price drop. This can be a good time to consider selling. An oversold signal, usually below 30 on the scale, suggests the coin's price has fallen significantly and could be ready for a bounce back. This can be a potential entry point for a trade. This indicator is a great tool for finding these key points in a coin's price movement. While it's powerful, but it's not a magic solution. Before you use any indicator, you need a plan to identify good coins and avoid bad ones. That's why you need to learn how to spot rug pull coins. A rug pull is a scam where developers abandon a project after raising money, leaving investors with worthless assets. Meme coins are very vulnerable to rug pulls, and no indicator can save you from a rug pull or a scam. If the developers sell all their coins, the price goes to zero regardless of what the RSI says. To protect yourself, you must first filter out suspicious projects. You can do this by checking the holder distribution. Look at the percentage of coins held by the top wallets. A large percentage held by a very small number of wallets, especially newly created ones, is a major red flag. Also be wary of wallets that are all funded from the same exchange or have very low balances. This can indicate that they are burner wallets created by one person to manipulate the price. Always review a coin's history and look for a healthy trading history. Coins with natural looking volume and a good story or narrative behind them are often safer. Once you have a selection of coins that pass these initial checks, you can then move on to using the RSI. This indicator is most effective when used with a predetermined trading strategy. Here's a simple way to combine the concept. Start with a coin that has passed your security checks and is not an obvious scam. Then find the right time frame. For fast-moving markets, a shorter time frame might be more useful. Wait for the RSI to show an oversold signal when the line goes below 30. This indicates a potential dip where you can consider buying. For a stronger signal, look for volume to start picking up around the same time. When the RSI shows an overbought signal, when the line goes above 70, it's a strong signal to consider selling. This will help you lock in profits and avoid being caught in a price correction. A successful trade isn't just about finding the perfect entry, it's also about having an exit strategy. By using a tool like the RSI to guide your buying and selling, you can trade with a plan and not just with emotion. This disciplined approach is the key to doing well in a competitive market. You should also use a fast trading platform, and that's why I recommend trading on Axiom. This platform is insane. You have an arsenal of useful tools and indicators like a wallet and a Twitter tracker to help you make better trades. I use Axiom in combination with the free Uxento Chrome browser extension. This is a free tool that quickly shows you how many wallets are bundled. Just open a chart and click the extension, and you will see how many wallets are bundled. You can also use this Chrome extension to find out if a Twitter account has been reused. There are a lot of fake tokens copying celebrity Twitter accounts and launching scam tokens, and now you can find out. This feature alone can save you a lot of money and keep you away from rug pulls and scam coins. If you go to the dashboard, you can see the CA tracker where you can find which meme coins are talked about in the biggest alpha groups like Potion, Tag, Prosperity, Shocked and others without being a member of these groups. This is important because with meme coins the money flows where the attention goes. You can also create your own meme coin here. Click on the UDEV button and a pop-up will appear. Enter your information in the fields and when done, select how many SOL you want to deploy with your coin. You can change the layout by going to your profile and adjust your settings from here. And for example, enable the animated gold or silver highlights to show on the pulse cards. With silver enabled, you will see when 3 to 7 alpha groups are mentioning the coin, and when you select gold, you get 8 or more group mentions. I will drop the link to the valid and safe Chrome extension below in the description. The most important thing that's driving new coins is attention. This is where the Twitter and the wallet tracker are used for. If you see a lot of wallets buying coins with the same meta, then these are the kind of coins where the money goes. Also important, if you look at the chart and the percentage of holders exceeds more than 3 or 4%, that's a red flag. If you see 5 or 6% holders, don't worry about the coin and move on to the next one. You also shouldn't get in a trade when the coin is going up. Just wait for a healthy retracement like 40 or 50%. I like to use the 200 EMA line. If the price action is above the EMA line, that's a good sign. If the price is dropping below the line and the volume is low, then watch out. I also draw a support line where the price bounces, and if there is enough volume coming in and the RSI showing an oversold signal, I enter my trade. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching, and if you like this video, leave a like, or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the small notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and stay safe.